Fuck.
Yo!
Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, we've got a ton of boxes here. We've got some reflector deletes from IND. Right here, we've got kidney grills. It's gonna be an upgrade for sure. Here we've got mirror caps, carbon fiber mirror caps. You know, everybody with the F80 or F30s, you gotta go with either black or carbon fiber mirror caps. And here we've got splitters, so these go right above front lip, and this big guy right here is the front lip itself. Also, with this video, I'm going to be going for a little bit of a different vibe. Hopefully the video won't turn out too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all loaded up into the car, and we're gonna head over to my buddy Zaid's house so we can go ahead and do the install. Alright guys, here is the lip. Holy, this looks so aggressive, dude. I'm gonna unpack everything and lay it out, see what it's gonna look like, and then we're gonna do the install.
The Miata is just a parts shelf at this point.
And this is gonna be fucked in like 2 months. I already know it.
Pre-order another one. Oh my god. That looks so aggressive. The murder out gloss black grills.
I could have made this 3 separate videos, but I honestly did not want to drag out 3 different videos for 10 minutes long, so we're doing it all in one.
So how are we planning on attaching these?
Just double-sided tape is fine. And then these clip on, so we just like... You've
Unclip.
done these before, right? Grills?
Yeah, I did on the F30.
So, yeah. These just clip on, and then this one just double-sided tape, and then self-tap.
I got this as our treat. If we successfully put this shit on without fucking anything up, you gotta make sure it's halal too.
Halal, yeah.
See, bro, this is straight up like this is
Some Haggard's.
yeah, bro. Some mighty Cormos type shit. You know what I mean?
We got a nice little Miata, baby Miata over here. M3 in the shop. Zaid started working on his car. I started working on mine finally. It's just about to be crazy. You excited
forever
for
to
your
do
M3?
everything?
Yeah, I know.
I'm
me
excited.
too.
Let's just hope it doesn't take another 2 years.
All right, so we got everything taped up. So we're gonna do the splitters first, since the lip's gonna be going under. So first thing we gotta do is actually wipe this all off so it can actually stick. All right, so we're gonna be using this Detox from Ethos Car Care.
That's the cutest spray nozzle I've ever seen in my life. Yeah. Sponsor us.
Yeah, sponsor me, please. Here we go, putting on the first splitter. So it just goes over like this. So the tape is exposed on a couple of the sides. I'm gonna try to stick that part on. And after that, we left a little tab hanging, and now we just slowly... Fuck.
Nice. Fuck it, I say we leave it like this, man. Yeah.
Where's the third part? There was 3 parts sticking out, now there's only 1.
Take them all
Idiots
off,
install
and you just
splitters.
gotta line it up perfectly.
Real shit? That's good enough, man.
The fitment on the top is so bad because the tape came off. It's fine.
You sure it's fine, man?
No. I don't like it.
He said no.
This is getting on my OCD right now.
Imagine driving this just flapping.
I look. Also, stand up. When you stand up, you're never ever gonna see that.
That's true.
Nah, you still see that shit.
Yeah, bitch.
Alright. Second side. This time we decided not to leave the tape out, so it doesn't break on us. Alright, there's no way. There's no way it's going in.
Yeah, I
That's
got
just, that shit's so fucking sticky, bro.
Watch. You gotta be on some surgeon type shit, bro.
Surgeon shit.
You gotta ask, bro. Like on some surgeon type shit. Watch.
Wait. He's a surgeon. What?
I didn't go to medical school.
He's a certified BMW surgeon right here.
That actually went on perfect.
That went on purpose.
Yo,
Let's take the other one off, bro.
if we snap this side, I'm leaving the other side on. We're gonna be
Fetty
dead.
Wap.
We're gonna be different, bro. I think we're straight, to be honest.
Shit's not coming off.
Yeah, I told you that's not coming off. All right, we installed the splitters. Man, that white bothers me, but whatever. This side doesn't have the white, but that side's more equal.
Yeah. This gives you more reason to slam the car so you never see the bottom crevices.
Splitters are done. Yeah, so next thing, we're gonna have to take off these little pieces right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. And then we're gonna test fit the lip. And then after that, we're gonna just stick it on.
Yeah.
Are you sure you gotta take that entire thing off?
I think we should watch a tutorial for our tutorial. So guys, based on the tutorial we watched, this is how you're supposed to do it. For courtesy though, we're not gonna tag that tutorial because we want y'all to watch ours. Alright guys, so after further inspection, turns out you actually don't have to remove all that weather strip down there or whatever it was.
Now I see why people don't buy cheap lips.
Yeah.
This shit just don't fit.
The fitment is so bad. As long as it looks nice. From afar. When you're
Yeah.
not squinting at it.
Get this satisfying
That one is not. I didn't know which way it was going. Alright, so done with the bottom part of the car. It looks freaking crazy, guys. Like my reaction when I first saw it, we didn't get it on camera, but I backed up a bit. Like, holy shit, guys. Oh, it looks so good. Alright, next thing. These gross silver grills, you gotta go. Alright, so with these, you gotta just take off clips that hold it in place. They're all around the grill.
Alright guys, this is the safest way on how to take your grills out. Basically you gotta
So we're using a 90-degree pick to get to the bottom ones. We have not been able to get to them yet. Alright, so while Basi works on getting the grills off, we're going to just go ahead and do the mirrors. All we need is a trim tool. Put it underneath the lip of the mirror cap, and we're just going to tap on it lightly until it slowly starts to pop out. Yeah. How many trim tools do you need to remove a mirror? Why is there so many trim tools? Dude, I don't know what we're doing, but
Someone in this multiverse is laughing at us.
alright, there we go.
I got it.
Nice. I think you're just perpendicularly.
Perpendicular mirror capping.
He's still out there fucking lying.
I think we're good. I think we're good.
Yo!
Straight up German engineering. I could see everything now, bro.
Alright, we got the mirror caps on, and holy moly, guys. Gosh, that looks so good. That is such a big difference.
Taking the old ones off, even though we broke all the grips.
We broke the old ones. We still got the new ones on, so it's a success at the end of the day. Alright, and you know, 3 hours later, we're still making progress on the grills. Dude is all the way inside the grill.
Alright, other hand's going in.
Wrist deep.
Fuck, yo, I'm stuck. Yo, actually, like, don't show this one, man. This is embarrassing. Oh, let's go.
Alright, we just got the grill out. Only took us about 30 seconds. Not too hot.
Yeah.
Alright, we finally got both of the grills off. Now is the easy part. We just snap these in. Alright, there we are, guys. All done with the front end makeover. Gonna get the car off this ghetto ramp setup. We're gonna take it to a nice little area, try to get some nice shots for you guys.
You got it, buddy.
I'm so scared, bro.
You got it. Alright. Oh my god.
I reversed?
Yeah, slow, really slow. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, you're on the ground.
You're about to scrape on leaves.
Money, all I know. Spend it, can I take it when I'm gone? If happiness elude me after all my years, off Lamborghini letters just to wipe my tears. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Alright, that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making and editing this video. I'm so happy with this video, and I hope you guys are as happy as I am with it. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching, and peace out.
Give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean. The Xannies help me slow, the leaning help me speed now. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it if she beat now. Calling, yeah, she calling, your bitch got me on the speed now. Down through the rats, I look at faces, don't see no smiles. Just grab me in the six, who can I trust? I never know now. Sprite is